Yes.
My Lord, the present petition has been filed in regards to the issue of increased dog bite in the city. This petition aims to point out the problems persisting in the city in respect of dog bite, sterilization of stray dogs, inaction on the part of local authorities, that is Indore Municipal Corporation, violation of provision of PCA Act, and also violation of the clear directions issued by Honorable Supreme Court of India. Moreover, my Lord, through this PIL, I am also making an effort to suggest a possible solution to the problems related to stray dog in our city of Indore. My Lord, earlier the Honorable Supreme Court of India has passed an order dated 18th of November 2015 through SLP 691 of 2009, whereas the Honorable Apex Court has directed all the other high courts of India to not to pass any order in respect to the issue of stray dogs. However, my Lord, on 12th October 2022, the Honorable Supreme Court has again directed that the respective high courts of the state shall decide the issues in accordance with the law. Hence, I have filed the present petition before this Honorable Court, seeking justice and necessary directions to the respondents herein. My Lord, this petition has been filed since the response to the RTI applications preferred by me are unsatisfactory, and in fact, the local authorities have manifestly failed to comply with the directions issued by Animal Welfare Board of India as well as Honorable Supreme Court of India. The documents reflecting the action, that is to create awareness on the part of local authority, obtained through the RTI, which is on page number 289, marked as Annexure P8. Another aspect involved in the present PIL, my Lord, is in respect to this serious issue of stray dogs and their biting and lack of sterilization.
Issue notice.
Thank you so much, sir.
An issue notice to the respondents. We have 7 days, returnable 4 weeks.